Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency created in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates without a central authority, relying on blockchain technology, a public ledger maintained by a network of computers, nodes, that validate transactions. New Bitcoins are created through mining, a process where powerful computers solve complex problems, and the total supply is capped at 21 million. Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous, secured by cryptography, and resistant to censorship. It can be used for payments, investments, and international transfers, though its price is highly volatile, and its legal status varies by country. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies that serve as alternatives to Bitcoin, each designed to address perceived limitations of Bitcoin or to introduce new features and functionalities. While Bitcoin focuses primarily on being a decentralized digital currency, altcoins often expand beyond this use case. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, enabling the creation of decentralized applications on its blockchain. Other altcoins, like Ripple, focus on improving cross-border payment systems, while Litecoin offers faster transaction times with a different hashing algorithm. Altcoins vary widely in purpose, from enhancing privacy to enabling decentralized finance, reflecting the diverse and evolving landscape of blockchain technology. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar, or other assets such as gold. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, which are known for their volatility, stablecoins offer price stability, making them useful for transactions and savings, and as a medium of exchange in the crypto ecosystem. Popular examples include Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC, both of which are pegged to the US dollar. Some stablecoins, like DAI, achieve stability through decentralized collateralization mechanisms rather than relying on direct fiat reserves. Privacy coins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to enhance the privacy and anonymity of transactions, making it difficult or impossible to trace the flow of funds on the blockchain. Unlike typical cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where transaction details are publicly accessible, privacy coins use advanced cryptographic techniques to obscure information such as the sender, recipient, and transaction amount. Monero is a leading privacy coin that employs techniques like ring signatures and stealth addresses to ensure complete confidentiality. Zcash offers optional privacy features through zero-knowledge proofs, allowing users to shield transaction details selectively. These coins are often used by individuals who prioritize financial privacy, although they have also attracted scrutiny due to their potential misuse in illicit activities. Utility tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that provides users with access to a product or service within a specific blockchain-based ecosystem. For example, Binance Coin, BNB, is used within the Binance exchange for paying transaction fees, participating in token sales, and other platform-specific activities. Similarly, Uniswap, UNI, allows holders to vote on changes to the Uniswap decentralized exchange protocol. Utility tokens can also be used to incentivize certain behaviors, such as rewarding users for viewing ads in the Brave browser using basic attention token. Security tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that represent ownership or investment in a real-world asset, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or other financial instruments, and are subject to federal securities regulations. Security tokens are designed to function as digital representations of traditional financial securities, offering investors legal rights such as ownership, profit sharing, or voting in a company. For example, Zero is a security token associated with the Zero platform, which focuses on trading digital assets. DeFi tokens are cryptocurrencies used within decentralized finance platforms, which offer financial services like lending, borrowing, trading, and yield farming without relying on traditional intermediaries like banks. These tokens often serve multiple functions within their respective ecosystems, such as governance, staking, and as collateral. Governance tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that gives holders the right to participate in the decision-making processes of a decentralized blockchain network. These tokens enable users to vote on proposals that affect the development, management, and future direction of the project, such as changes to fees, protocol upgrades, or the allocation of funds. For example, Maker tokens allow holders to vote on key decisions within the MakerDAO system, which governs the DAI stablecoin. Governance tokens democratize control over decentralized projects, empowering the community to collectively shape the ecosystem's growth and ensure that it aligns with the interests of its stakeholders. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are a type of cryptocurrency that represents unique digital assets, such as art, collectibles, videos, or virtual real estate on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged one for one, each NFT has a distinct value and cannot be replaced by another token. NFTs are typically built on Ethereum's ERC-721 or ERC-1 in 55 standards, allowing creators to tokenize their work, establish ownership, and sell it in digital marketplaces. The uniqueness and provenance of NFTs are securely recorded on the blockchain, making them highly desirable for artists, collectors, and gamers. Meme coins are a type of cryptocurrency that originated as jokes or parodies, but have gained significant popularity due to community support, viral social media trends, and celebrity endorsements. The most famous meme coin is Dogecoin, which started as a lighthearted spoof of Bitcoin, featuring the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme. Despite its origins, Dogecoin developed a strong following and became widely used for tipping, charitable donations, and microtransactions. Meme coins are typically characterized by high volatility, driven more by community enthusiasm and speculative trading than by technical innovation or utility. Platform tokens are cryptocurrencies native to specific blockchain platforms used to facilitate transactions, run smart contracts, and support decentralized applications within their ecosystem. Ethereum, for example, powers the Ethereum network, paying for transaction fees and smart contract execution. Wrapped tokens are cryptocurrencies that represent another asset, typically a different cryptocurrency, on a blockchain where it doesn't naturally exist. For example, wrapped Bitcoin is a tokenized version of Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing Bitcoin to be used in Ethereum-based decentralized applications and decentralized finance protocols. Wrapped tokens enable greater liquidity and interoperability across different blockchain networks, allowing assets to move freely between ecosystems that wouldn't otherwise be compatible. In yield farming, users deposit their assets into liquidity pools, collections of funds locked in smart contracts, to facilitate trading, lending, or borrowing on DeFi platforms. In return, they receive liquidity pool tokens, representing their share of the pool. These tokens can often be staked or reinvested to earn additional rewards, typically paid out in the platform's native tokens, like SushiSwap's sushi or PancakeSwap's cake. Interoperability tokens are cryptocurrencies designed to enable seamless communication, data transfer, and asset exchange between different blockchain networks. These tokens power platforms that aim to connect otherwise isolated blockchains, allowing them to work together and share resources. Polkadot is a prime example, facilitating the transfer of data and assets across various blockchains within its ecosystem, enabling them to operate under a shared security model. Similarly, Cosmos powers the Cosmos network, which strives to create an internet of blockchains where diverse blockchains can communicate and interoperate efficiently. Fork coins are cryptocurrencies that emerge when a blockchain splits or forks due to disagreements with community about protocol changes or upgrades. This split creates two separate blockchains, each with its version of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is a well-known fork of Bitcoin created to address issues like transaction speed and scalability by increasing block size. Ethereum Classic, ETC, is another example, resulting from a split in the Ethereum community after a dispute over how to handle a significant hack.